Hello friends, today our topic is sanity testing. Sanity testing is performed to ensure all the defects have been resolved and no added issue are introduced because of the modification in the code. It is performed in a stable build. It is also known as subset of regression testing. It also validates the accuracy of the newly added feature and components inside the application. So sanity testing basically performs on the build released by the development team after fixes or adding a new feature inside the application. Now coming to the advantages of sanity testing, it helps us to find any deployment or compilation issues. It is less expensive as compared to other testing types of software testing. It helps in the rapidly finding the bugs in the core functionality of the application. There is no documentation mandatory for the sanity testing. That's why it can be executed in the lesser time. The execution of the sanity testing will help us save unnecessary testing effort and the time because it will only focused on one or a few functionalities area. Sanity testing helps in detecting the missing dependent object. So these are few advantages of the sanity testing.